Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice here. And do you like this type of parting? You can see this is a 5x5 closure wig with our Remy human hair, and we make a beautiful style. It's just the loose weave hair texture, very beautiful one, and 5x5 lace closure. And parting is this type. It's not a regular middle parting or side parting. We creating this parting for the clients. Actually, you can style yourself when you receive. You can actually do it in different side and parting anywhere on the lace. But this style, do you like it? I think it's very beautiful. Remy human hair, beautiful and great price. If you like this type of wig, feel free order. Thank you. Have a good day.